Right, these are two hounds. Yeah, it's a lovely day today. It's absolutely gorgeous. Right, you know how things annoy me to death, especially hogweed. Oh, now we're coming down here, and if you can see that, there's some there. Yeah, and we're going to come down to it. Yeah. Now they always have problems with this stuff because it's not. Apparently, it's pretty dangerous stuff. The sap, it causes burning, and unfortunately, the effects of it could last for years. It makes the skin sensitive to sun. And I'm going to be coming down here, and look, this should have been tackled, you know, when it started growing. Now it's got to a point now where it's the flowers, and once the flowers turn to seed, the cycle starts all over again. The problem is there's thousands of seed heads on these, thousands of seeds, and it comes down with the river, and the root up, and that's it. I've seen it's got really bad this year, really bad. I mean, how many can I see there? 3, 4, 5, about 7 there. 7. And you think these are impressive? Wait till I'll show you some more. Yeah. I know they're quite impressive, the flowers, but yeah, it's a really bad problem. And it is really bad up onto the riverbank as well. Right, I'm going to go. Speak soon.